Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ChatGPT. We click on settings, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search about ChatGPT and you will click here. In this window of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will go to storage. You will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.